Saving money sounds simple. Spend less than you earn. So why does it feel so hard? Why do most people try and still fail? Saving money is not just about numbers. It is about behavior. It is about psychology. And most importantly, it is about the environment you live in. Because the truth is, you are not fighting yourself. You are fighting a system designed to make you spend. This is Capital Clarity, a channel where we explain how money works clearly, simply, honestly. People say, just save money, be disciplined, stop wasting money. But that advice ignores reality, because saving money is simple in theory, but difficult in practice. Not because you are weak, but because everything around you is pushing in the opposite direction. Your brain is not built to save. Your brain is designed for survival, not for long-term financial planning. Thousands of years ago, there was no bank account, no investing, no savings goals. There was only one rule: use resources now before they are gone. That instinct still exists, and today it works against you. Saving money requires patience. Spending money gives instant reward. You feel good immediately. New clothes, new phone, food delivery, small pleasures, fast dopamine. Your brain learns this pattern. Spend, feel good. Save, feel nothing. So naturally, you keep choosing what feels good now. Look around. Everywhere you go, something is trying to sell you something. Ads on your phone, ads on YouTube, ads on social media, limited offers, discounts, buy now, pay later. This is not random. It is a multi-billion-dollar system designed to do one thing: hit your money. Even when you think you are making your own decisions, you are being influenced. Social media shows your lifestyle, travel, cars, clothes, perfect lives, and slowly, your standards change. What used to feel like luxury starts to feel normal, and what used to be enough no longer feels enough. You start earning more. That feels good, but something else happens at the same time. You upgrade your life. Better phone, better food, better everything. It feels like progress, but your expenses grow with your income. So even though you earn more, you are not saving more. Saving money is not just logical, it is emotional. You spend when you are bored. You spend when you are stressed. You spend to reward yourself. You spend to feel better. Money becomes a tool for emotions, not a tool for freedom. When you are stressed, you make worse financial decisions. You look for quick comfort, fast solutions, short-term relief, and most of the time, that means spending. So the more stressed you are, the harder it becomes to save. Many people live in a cycle. Money comes in, money goes out. There is no margin, no buffer, no safety. And when there is no extra money, saving feels impossible, because you are not choosing between saving and spending. You are choosing between needs and survival. Saving money is not always destroyed by big purchases. It is destroyed by small ones. Daily coffee, subscriptions, impulse buys. Individually, they feel small, but over time, they add up and quietly drain your money. Spending gives visible results. You get something. You feel something. Saving feels invisible. You just see a number sitting in your account. No excitement. No reward. So it feels like nothing is happening, even when you're doing the right thing. People think saving money is about discipline, but discipline alone is not enough, because willpower is limited. You cannot rely on motivation every day. You need systems. You need structure. You need habits. The easiest way to save money is to remove the decision. Automate it. Money goes into savings before you even see it. No thinking. No temptation. No struggle. If saving is hard, make it easier. Separate account. Auto transfer. Clear goal. The less effort it takes, the more likely you are to do it. Make spending harder. Wait before buying. Remove saved cards. Avoid impulse environments. Small barriers can stop big mistakes. Right now, spending feels like a reward. But what if saving became the reward? Watching your money grow, feeling safe, having control. That is a different kind of satisfaction. Quite a one, but a stronger one. Saving money becomes easier when your identity changes. You are not someone who tries to save. You are someone who is in control of money. You are someone who thinks long term. You are someone who values freedom over impulse. Saving money is slow. At first, you do not see big results, but over time, it compounds. More savings, less stress, more options, more freedom. Saving money is not hard because it is complicated. It is hard because everything around you is designed to make it hard. If you do not control your money, your environment will. Saving money is not about being perfect. It is about being aware of your habits, aware of your environment, aware of your choices. Because once you see the system clearly, you stop fighting yourself, and you start playing the game differently. Saving money is not hard when you stop living a life designed to make you spend.